Hi, I'm Sona and I'm excited to introduce content engineering to you. While prompt engineering helps you generate text and images, content engineering helps you generate visual designs you want. And it is as simple as typing in a Word document. With content engineering, you get more control and it is way easier. Imagine writing your copy, adding heading, grouping blocks, uploading your photos, and even adding your brand colors and typography. And all of this without having to remember complex prompts. The future of visual design is here and it's more exciting than ever. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore content engineering, and let Sivi truly listen to your creative voice. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.